gate.io. Just I want to welcome you this because this is a new video. um, like if you want to add money, if you want to buy cryptocurrency direct from the credit card, then I will tell you how you can do this. So it can be a simple procedure. I will try to explain in very easy method. Okay, first of all, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Comment if any error, if any requirement, if any suggestion, and please do like my videos. Okay, for more video on gate.io, I will make on it. So gate.io is the best exchange in world which I ever seen. So let's start our video in which I will explain about how you can buy cryptocurrencies directly from your credit card or bank account. Okay, first of all, log into your account. Okay, after logging your account, simply you have to click on buy crypto, and then a window will be open where you can see credit card, bank transfer, and P2P trade. So just you have to click on the credit card, a window will be open, and in which it will show buy with the fair flat currency. So you can enter your amount, what amount you want to buy in USDT, and any amount you can enter, and you can select any of the currency. You can buy in any currency amount like JPY, AFD, VPN, CAD, CHF, C2, BHK, HUF, ILS, INR. Okay, you can add also in INR, and then RUB, okay, TRX, UTH, whatever currency you want to buy. You can scroll down here and simply select any of the currency which you want to select. Okay, so once you have selected your currency, then just click on purchase currency purchase. Okay, if you want to buy Doge, BTC, USDT, Ethereum, XRP, and other any of the other currency like BNB, many more currency are there in on Gate.io. So you can buy any of the currency like a very famous currency Matic, Ethereum, Gate.io on the Gate.io, and Zcash, Mana, and Atom. Like many of the currency you can find here, which you can buy directly from your credit card or from your bank account. Okay, so let's select any of the currency like randomly. I will select any OMG. I have selected. Then you can see MoonPay is only the vendor which can by which you can pay. So let's for the example, I have selected USDT. Okay, so there are six exchanges over Get.io. Then you have to click Simplex. Simplex will charge some 17.5 USDT for purchasing 500, and same Mercurius will charge 19.00, and Conify will charge 0 USDT. It will not charge any amount, and Banexa will charge 9.76 USDT. So Educas will charge 0 rupees, 0 USDT, and MoonPay is also charging 0 USDT. So simply just you have to agree and click on the purchase. A next window of the Moon will open, and over here you can make your account on the MoonPay, and after adding email ID, it will ask your credit card details. So you have to put your credit card detail and all you can purchase over here by using your credit card. So let's see next step, next option to buy the cryptocurrency on gate.io. So just click on buy cryptocurrency and click on bank transfer. You can see here land trading, and also our option here you can see. Okay, so buy digital currency. Click on buy digital currency, and I have to accept and click purchase. Okay, after click on purchase, a page will be open. Then you can see here option by buying like purchase cryptocurrency with bank transfer, verify your identity, make a bank transfer, and start trading. Simple step you can follow here, and you will find simple steps in this video also. Please do like, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Okay, just you have to select any coin which you want to buy. For example, like I have selected those coin, and then I put how much you want to buy, like here 500, then click on the buy. After that, you have to review order, then you can buy here. Let's go on next step, because our video is going long. If you want in more detail, then you can um, comment in the comment box. So let's start P2P trade. How can we do P2P trade? You can see here, or necessary details is shown here, and how can you buy and how can you sell by using P2P trade. So just you need to read out. If you're not able to understand, please comment section. I will explain in detail. So let's understand how it works. First of all, there is two options in P2P. Like first option is buy and second option is sell. Left side in buy and right side you can sell. So you have to just enter the amount which how much amount you want to add. So just you have to enter amount. Then please choose method. You have to select any method. Like you can select by PayPal and Swift and AD Cash and much more, in Paytm also. Just you have to select and add your like Paytm ID over here. Just you have to say, if you are selecting Paytm, then if you are selecting Paytm, then it will ask for please add Paytm first. So just have to click and click on buy. Okay, let's click on buy. Oh, sorry, single transaction volume. Okay, a small amount. There is small, and then we have to increase the amount. Suppose I have to add 2000 to, then it will ask some, like you have to add a Paytm account first in the get.io. So you can add Paytm account on the get.io. How to add Paytm account on the get.io? Please comment. I will make a specific video on this option also. You can see here all the transaction which you have done ever. Okay, so if you want to sell, then you can select sell option. From here directly you can click on the dose and you can buy those directly by P2P trade option. Okay, so you can again select PayPal, or if you want to buy through PayPal, again it will ask for adding Paytm PayPal first. Bind your PayPal account first on this gate.io. So you can see all your transactions over here. Okay, so I think we have explained much more. So you can also see it history, all the transaction history. So if you want to more video, then please comment us, and we will make a video for you in simple way and with full transaction. Okay, so thanks all for being with us. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.